I'm going to go ahead and talk through this. So if you're using reverse FOIL, we look at the different combinations of first terms that would give us 18x squared. So x and 18x, 2x and 9x, or 3x and 6x. So those are our different possible combinations for our first. Our last is a negative, so our signs aren't going to be as specific. So we need to test all possible combinations that give us a -2 for our last term. So +2 minus 1, -2 plus 1, +1 minus 2, and -1 plus 2. So those are our different combinations for all of these. And again, you don't have to write them all out, because as you go through and you do the process that I'm going to show you right now, you can be doing this mentally as you work through. So when we look to eliminate any, the x plus and minus 2's and the 18x plus and minus 1's, nothing can eliminate, but the 18x and the 2's can, so I can eliminate those choices. And here the 2x plus 2 and minus 2 can be eliminated. Nothing else can in that group. And here the 6x and the plus and minus 2's can be eliminated. So we cut in half what we need to test. So now if we go through and we take our outer and inner products. So here we have plus or a minus x and a plus 36x does not equal -9. So again, we can eliminate both of those. One's the positive, one's the negative. Test the next set. We have minus 4x and plus 9x does not give us -9x. Again, this is the plus and the minus of those, so we can eliminate both. And then finally here, a minus 3x and a plus 12x does not, but the negatives do. So plus 3x and minus 12x does. So we get our answer 3x minus 2 times 6x plus 1. Okay, so that would be trial and error, reverse foiling. However, if you chose to use the rewrite the middle term method, what we could do here is we could take the product of our leading coefficient and constant. 18 times -2 is -36. What two factors of -36 have an overall sum of -9? -12 and +3. So if we rewrote that middle term as the sum of -12x plus 3x, drop our first and last terms down and factor by grouping, what we can get now is remove a common factor of 6x, leaving a 3x minus 2. From our second set, notice there's nothing that you can remove, no common factors. You do still need to write your sign, and I would put a 1 in place so you can see that that represents a factor. 3x minus 2 is all that remains. We do have this shared binomial factor, so remove that or factor it out. And the remaining factors of 6x and this plus 1 become the terms of our other binomial factor.